Today we are talking about the commutative property of addition. So you guys just got done doing an activity that had you each write what you thought the commutative property of addition meant, and then you talked about it in your pods, and then you came up with a definition that each pod thought was the correct definition. So now that you've all went over those definitions in class, and we all have somewhat of an understanding of what you all think the definition is, we're going to go over the actual definition of the commutative property and see how close all of you got. So the commutative property of addition is A plus B equals B plus A. In other words, if you have a problem where two integers are being added together, they can be rewritten in reverse, and they will still equal the same thing. So down here, A plus B can also be written as B plus A, and they will equal the exact same thing. So again, the commutative property of addition is A plus B equals B plus A. In other words, if you have a problem where two integers are being added together, like A plus B down here, you can rewrite that in reverse, which would be B plus A down here, and you will still get the same answer. So now that we've gone over that, I'm going to write some example problems for you guys on this board and see if we can walk through them together and help you guys better understand that a little. So the first example that we're going to go over today is 4 plus 3. So if we do 4 plus 3, how do you guys think we would rewrite that using this commutative property of addition down here? If we use 4 as A and 3 as B, how would we rewrite 4 plus 3 to fit this same equation down here? So 4 plus 3 would equal B plus A. We write it as the commutative property of addition tells us to down here. A plus B equals B plus A. So if the 4 is the A and the B is a 3, in order to use the commutative property of addition, we would be able to rewrite that as 3 plus 4. A plus B equals B plus A. 4 plus 3 equals 3 plus 4. They're the same thing if you write them just like this. So another example of that would be 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12. How would we rewrite that using the commutative property of addition? 6 plus 12. If 6 is your A and 12 is your B, how would we rewrite 6 plus 12 in the commutative property of addition equation? If we rewrite that in the same way, it would be B plus A plus B equals B plus A, remember? So if 6 is A and B is 12, it would be 12 plus 6. So 6 plus 12 equals 12 plus 6, because A plus B equals B plus A. As the commutative property of addition tells us, we can rewrite the 12 plus 6 as 6 plus 12. We can also rewrite 6 plus 12 as 12 plus 6, and they equal the same exact thing.